Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dimension webinar. Here we would like to introduce our AutoCheck integrated fiber end phase inspector. AutoCheck is the first intelligent desktop fiber end phase inspector developed by Dimension technology. With the advantage of the image analysis software and high-performance embedded system, AutoCheck can identify the tiny defects accurately, conveniently, and simply. With various optional adapters, AutoCheck can be used for inspections on all kinds of fiber optic connectors. AutoCheck has some remarkable features. It has pass-fail auto-analysis function. It adopts embedded Android system. Two magnifications, 200 times and 400 times are available. It's built in the IEC criteria. The test report can be saved on SD card, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet are accessible for data transfer to the server. It's easy to use and very suitable for manufacturing inspection. Okay, let's see what AutoCheck has and let's see how it works. First, we need to turn on the power and install the suitable adapter for inspection. For example, we take 2.5 PC adapter, and this is the single fiber connector has been inserted. And right now, we select suitable IEC criteria for this text. We take this as an example. And we need to adjust the XY axis to find the image of the fiber end phase in the center. And we adjust the focus length to find the clearest image. And then, after we input the operator information and file name and so on, then we can do the measurement by click the button on the screen. Yeah, the text has been done. And you can change the view, highlight mode. And here's the button of menu. It will show or disappear. And here's adjust the highlight. And it's overlay. And the measurement button. And that's how it works. Thank you.